Okay then, just a quick little bit of help on the prep that you were doing and what you had to fill in. So this time it's slightly different. In this one, we're given our histogram here, and we need to use that to fill in the frequency table. So if you remember, this frequency table, this frequency, so here, like the number of people being 8, is just the area of this rectangle from 0 up to where the next group starts at 2. So from 0 to 2, they're telling us that the frequency here is 8, and that's because along the height is 4, so this area is 8. That's giving us our frequency. If you look at the next group, we're saying here that this group is going from 2 up to 4, so again the base is 2. Then look at your height. So the height this time is going up. That's past 6, isn't it? So each of these, if you can see, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That must be a height of 7. So 2 times 7, the area of this rectangle from 2 to 4, is 2 times 7 or 14. So in this space goes the number 14. All you have to do then is work out the area of each of these final 3 rectangles to get their frequencies. So what is the area of this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle? And they will simply go in those spaces. Okay, for part B then, calculate an estimate of the mean distance. So mean from this table, if I just scroll down, so this table, if we just do it sort of looking vertically, the distances went from 0 to 2, 2 to 4 and so on. We've worked out that the first one had a frequency of 8, the second one 14, and you will have now worked out these last 3. When you're doing the mean from one of these tables, remember we need the total first of all, and we need the total for each of these groups individually. So if the distance is between 1 and 2, we don't know what the exact distance is. So what we do is we guess that we're going to use the middle of that. So in between 0 and 2, we're going to use a distance of, oh, it's not what I wanted to do. We're going to use a distance of 1 in there. So we're going to say that all of these 8 people are 1. So 1 times 8, the total here is going to be 8. For this second group, if we look at the second group then and we say, well, we're going to go halfway between or in the middle of 2 and 4, that's obviously going to be a 3. So 3 times 14 is 42. So this one will be 42. And all we need to do to get the mean is we find the total of every single group. So we'll do the same for this one. That would be 5 times this value, 7, 9. To get the mean, remember we said we work out what all these totals add up to. And then we divide by how many people all together were asked in this row. So we're going to do what they would be, all of the totals divided by all of the people. And that will give you your final mean value.